Hindi maalat. Sarap na? Sado? O, bili ka ng apa. Pwede ba tikman ba? Hi, we're inviting everyone to visit the JS University Asia Inc. booth here, located at second floor of the SMX Convention Center. Come and discover our exciting products and offers. We have Tasty Palamig, Nash Coffee, and a lot of products. And also have a Gold Cup chicken luncheon meat. Hello mga kachupos!
Hi mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Motor Bazaar at syempre kasama natin